A precision screwdriver. It's a USB rechargeable, and we have a total of 64 exchangeable tips. Comes with a nice carrying case. And the nice thing with this, that now we have a total of 64 different type of screws we can remove. So this becomes great if you work in electronics, or if you want to open a game console and you have all these different type of tips. Sometimes it's so hard to try to figure out how you're going to open that device. So I will say this is a good add-on for your toolbox. And you see right here, they show you what type of tip. They are magnetic, by the way. Nice. And right to the other side, by the way, we have, all right, so this is just to crack open maybe your cell phone or a console. I think that's the purpose for this type of tool. But anyway, it comes with that. And if you want to pick up tiny screw, we have the tool as well too. The whole thing is magnetic. But let's look now at the screwdriver now. So the screwdriver, it's a USB rechargeable. It has an LCD screen, and it's pretty simple. They have a total of 4 modes. So you press it and you start with 0. So 0 is manual. You can go up to like 2.66 pounds per inch. Mode 1 is about 1.5, about 2.5, and then like 3.2 pounds per inch. So what that means is, if you want to remove the screw, or you want to touch the screw, when it reaches about 3 pounds, it automatically will stop. And I think that maybe it's a 440 screw. I think a 440 screw is around like 4 pounds. And super simple. It has an LED. So you screw it in. And by the way, you see like the airplane going down. So you screw it in, and up you remove the screws. So like I said, the tip are magnetic. So soon you put it in and see, clicks right there. It's a tool. It's good to remove torque screws, and so definitely it's a good add-on, right, for your toolbox. And one of the things I like it is a USB rechargeable, and a good side too to handle this up. Seems a real nice side for those precision jobs, removing motherboards. Again, once again, game console. Once again, my name is Dario. This is MediaBoxEnt, and I'll see you next time. Bye.